Hello, true believers. This is bebotsonly again, and what we have here is junior high school grade 8 mathematics. Okay, so these are the online learning modules where a lot of the online teaching happens, and what makes it difficult is what happens is a lot of the teaching is transferred to the parents, and if you don't have a parent that's pretty proficient in math, then it becomes very difficult for them. So Hero was struggling a lot when I wasn't available for several years. So he had a lot of problems and struggled with math, especially now with online learning, since most of the teaching has been transferred to the parents. I mean, the parents are supposed to be supplemental, but the teachers are actually the ones that are supposed to be doing the teaching, hence teacher, one who teaches. So I mean that's their purpose in life, is to teach students. Well, they can't do it, or it's difficult to do, or it's a challenge, or sometimes impossible to do online, especially when it comes to math is one of them. So I what I've been doing is now that I'm back, I've been helping Hero a lot with his math. And so here are his results. So if you look over here in September, oh, this was late. He got a 5 out of 20 on October 9. He got a 15 out of 20, and this one, October 23rd, he got 18 out of 20, and October 23rd, he got a 14 out of 20. These are on his math tests. And on January 15, here's I started helping him over here. I started tutoring him in math. He got a 16 out of 20. And then his latest one over here, if you look January 18, he finally got a 20 out of 20. So it's his first perfect score in a long time since I've been gone. So he was very excited this morning to get the results and to see it, and he's very happy that he's got his. The most important thing when it comes to math is detail, paying attention to detail. Math is very detail oriented, and the other thing about math is you have to practice it, and you have to have confidence also. So, and that only comes after practice. Uh, somebody helping you practice it the right way. So the more you practice, the more experience you have, the more confidence you have. And we are Hero was able to. I was me and Hero. We were able to get him to the next level when it comes to his math. So I just wanted to share with you how this is a very happy, exciting time for him, that he's getting his confidence back in math. As you can see, it's a progress, but the results are there. I mean, he was always, even when I was before I was gone for almost 3 years. Before that, he was an achiever. He was always getting awards every year in all his classes in elementary school. And so as long as I was there, he had a lot of confidence, and he was able to score well on his tests. That he was always an achiever. And then after I was gone, that confidence was compromised, for lack of a better word. And I just wanted to show if he's got the right tutoring and mentoring and guidance and confidence back, and practicing, that anything is possible. And as you can see from here, he's got a perfect score, the best that you can achieve, uh, especially in math. So I just wanted to show everybody that we not only focus on his sports and athletics, but we also spend a lot of time on his math. When I got back, I spent hours and hours going over the same problems over and over again to get him enough confidence, so when he finally faces the quiz, that he won't have any problems with it. And as you could see from the score, January 18th, 2021 over here, that he finally got the perfect math test score. So that is the update. I just wanted to show everybody that we're not only concentrating on sports, we're also concentrating on not only his athleticism, but his brains also, which is, they're both important for a nice balance for a healthy, happy boy. Anyway, that's the update. So congratulations, Hero. Keep up the good work. and he looks forward to math now. Before it was upsetting. It was a depressing experience. Now he enjoys math whenever he doesn't get intimidated by it like I used to, like I was with when it comes to organic chemistry. Well, anything chemistry actually, not just general chemistry kind of, but it's not as bad as organic chemistry. But now, as you can see, no problems when it comes to math. And just as long as we keep up the good work, and Hero keeps up the hard work, and he's a hard worker. I mean, we'll stay up all night past midnight to get through these problems and these practice problems to get ready for his tests. Anyway, that's the update, and if you liked it, give it a subscribe, and congratulations again, Hero, for a job well done, not only in sports but also in academics, especially math, because math is, you have to be, there's no it's either you're right or you're wrong, and you have to pay attention to detail. So to complete our Hero's student athlete status.